how to know if someone unadded or deleted you on Snapchat. So if you want to know whether some of your friends on Snapchat unadded you, blocked you or something like that, then this video might be helpful for you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. Right now I'm at this section of Snapchat from where you will be able to take snap photos or videos. So at the left upper section there is a search bar. Simply tap over the search bar and you have to search for the person whom you want to know whether he or she had unadded or deleted you. After searching, you can tap on their profile over here, and right now I have opened up a profile of my friend, and here are various tags of the person like best friends, one streak, and snaps, and many more other options are given over here. There is also an option for video call and audio call. So this means the person hasn't unadded me or deleted me. I'm still friend with this person. So now let's search for the stranger person and see how it looks like when another person deleted or unadded you. Go back and search for random person, and by opening up the profile of the stranger person you can see there is only an option for add. Here are no any other options or tags available in the profile of the person. So if you search and look for your friend's profile and if this interface is available, then you need to know that the person has unadded or deleted. But if there are various tags available and also the option for audio call and video call, then you need to know that you are still friend with that person. So this is how you know. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.